That's that good shit, OG.
Mario, yes, I see you over there. Yes, yes, yes.
Here live.
Yo, you want me to tell them what I did to the G?
Yeah. Let's see.
All right, so we got a new tip on. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I cut the bumper.
Little hot boy.
Cut the bumper. You know what I'm saying?
Single pipe.
I cut the bumper.
Yeah, he cut the bumper. Z33 Caleb and shit.
Okay.
But no, we spray painted the rims. But I'm fucking an idiot. You know what I'm saying? So I spray painted the tires too. So the white looks kind of better.
Oh shit! All right.
So you know what I mean?
So which one you fucking with more, or which one you think they gonna fuck with more? Which color?
I think the
Let them
white.
know, Fug.
I think the white.
You thugging?
I don't fuck.
Yeah, I'm fucking.
All right.
Yes.
I feel like that pisses off your mom more than anything else.
Just popped off.
Everything breaks on this car, dude.
Man, look. So
Caleb's
just
just
give them the
unbelievable.
update, man. Just give them the rundown.
All right, the rundown is that one bolt that I don't know if Caleb in the previous videos kept calling it the demon bolt. Third time he came over here, he would call it the demon bolt. I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? The demon bolts on the test pipes. But he rounded off one bolt on the exhaust manifold where the old headers are. You can't fucking get an extractor on there. It's completely rounded off. So I'm thinking, take a stud extractor tool, just pull out the whole stud with the bolt, and I'll go from there. Hopefully
That's the plan of attack, right?
Yeah.
All right.
If that fails, then we're in deep doo-doo.
Yep, we're fucked, guys. So we're gonna have to probably take it to someone else at that point, or what? Maybe we'll have to do a ghetto street engine pool.
I'm down.
Never know. Bring a
That'd be
fucking
some good content.
yeah. So we'll see what we have to do, guys. But we'll definitely get these headers in.
Lesson learned is don't go to someone that says they can do it for really cheap, because it's never gonna end up well for you.
Let's stand.
Fuck you, guys. You're about to be Toby Maguire. Can I do it?
What happened, man?
We ran out of gas, bro. You got the gas? You got the gas?
I got the gas. Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Oh shit.
It'll be enough to get you to the gas station. Here. All right, we're gonna get this man right.
You didn't even give me a bro. Yo, I'm backing up.
Sorry, give me this again. 93 is expensive, another. All right, so he's filling up right now, guys. Getting in. He's driving this shit.
Stop me!
Get the fuck out the street, my man!
Yo, fucking shit out in the road and shit.
The fuck is he doing?
What's he doing, man? We out here DriftTweakers and shit, man. So nice. Bro, he's in the middle of the fucking road. What the fuck?
This is the 370Z engine bay. I'm gonna have all this soon. These, some throttle bodies, catch cans eventually, just to show you guys kind of like what it looks like. But it's pretty simple. We gotta go boosted though. That's where all the power's at.